What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you guys are new here, I'm Keaton, and obviously I'm going to be doing a haul for you guys. I love hauls, as you guys can tell, because literally like every other video I'm like, yeah, these are some new clothes. Like, I just can't stop. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my new clothes. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe because it would mean so much to me if you guys stuck around. I have tons of videos. I post every single Wednesday and Friday on this channel, but you guys can also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter because I post every day on my other social media. So I would love to keep you guys around. If you guys just subscribed, you just clicked the subscribe button, comment down below so I can say hi, so I can meet you. I love meeting my new subscribers, so thank you guys so much again. Yeah, let's just get into it because I have a lot of crap. Oddly enough, for this video, I only have like 3 brands that I'm going to be talking about, but I just have a lot of clothes from them. So I obviously am going to link everything, by the way, down in the description bar below. Go check it out, go buy it, whatever. But the first brand I'm going to start with is Revolve. I love Revolve. Thank you so much to Revolve for sending me these pieces. This is not sponsored, but they do send me clothes, and so I'm just really excited to talk about these because I have shopped from Revolve, I don't even know how many years now. Like, I'm literally obsessed with them. So the first things, I don't even know why I put the whole pile on my lap. So the first thing I want to show you guys probably saw this in my Get Ready With Me. If you guys haven't seen my freaking Get Ready With Me transformation 0 to 100 looking real ratchet, it's legit one of my favorite videos, and you guys seem to really like it, but I had this bodysuit on in it. So this is this hot pink bodysuit. It is open back. Absolutely love the fit of it. I do think though that the proportions are slightly off. The bodysuit part, like the leotard, is so freaking tight on my body, but the like boob area and all of that, the chest is like a little bit big, so I really had to tighten the straps, but then the bottom was too tight. So I feel like the proportions are just a teeny bit off. I probably could have got a small, but I did get an extra small because on Revolve it like said like recommended size, and so I just believed the freaking size predictor on Revolve and I just went with it. So next up, this was also in my last video. This is such a random top. Obviously, I know it looks like the Grinch, whatever. We've discussed it. This is my beautiful little Grinch top. It is a green, like really soft little fur top. I'm not really sure what compelled me to buy this, but I just thought it was beautiful, and I love lime green, but it's also cropped, but it's also like winter-esque, but it's really not because it's like fits like a bra. I don't know. I just think it makes you look super cute and like tan and just adorable. Plus, like, it's furry and it looks like the Grinch. I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. Next up, I got another bodysuit. So this one is by the brand Majorelle. It is just this dark tan little tie top, these tie right here. Super cute. I just felt like this was adorable. I could pair this with a jacket. I am going to Alaska, and it's literally saying that it's like 75 degrees there, which I'm confused about because I thought it was going to be really cold, but they're having like a huge heat wave in Alaska. If you guys live in Alaska, let me know. So I wanted to bring this bodysuit and just pair it with like a cute sweater over the top of it, like a little jacket, something like that. I just thought it was super cute, neutral. You guys know me, obviously. Everything in my room is brown, neutral, nude. So I just wanted another bodysuit like that, and I got this in a size extra small, I believe, as well. Let me look. Yeah, I got that one in an extra small as well. Next up, I got these really fun blue shorts. I'm kind of sad because I got a size small, and I wish I would have gotten an extra small because the waist is way too big, but I do love the color of these. I think this is so cute. I have a top I'm going to show you guys from Tigermist, and it's just like red, and I think this would be so cute paired with like a red crop, even like a white sweater, like a white cropped sweater, maybe even like a cardigan, anything. I just think these shorts are adorable. They tie on the side. I do wish I would have gotten an extra small. I'm a size 25 waist, so if that gives you any reference, if you guys are trying to pick a size, I'm a 25 waist and I got a size small, but they were too big, so I would get an extra small on these. Next up, I bought this sweater from Revolve as well. The brand is Lovers and Friends. Lovers and Friends, I think, is my favorite brand on Revolve. Whenever I'm shopping on there, I always, it's not intentional, but I always end up buying Lovers and Friends things. Like, they're just my top brand. I feel like they're my vibe more. So this sweater is by them, and I thought it was so cool because it's nude in the front, and then like half of the front like sleeve, it starts to go white, and then the back of it's white, and then it turns brown. So I just loved this. I thought it was like a really cool dual tone. Again, I got this for Alaska. I wanted to wear it with like some denim jeans, or like, I don't know, I just felt like this would be so cute just walking around and like adventuring through Alaska, especially because I, again, don't really need like a heavy coat or anything, just a sweater. And we've got another bodysuit. This one I just thought was adorable. It is this tie-dye colored like pink bodysuit. Absolutely love it. The material of it is all cotton. It's by the brand Super Down, and I got a size extra small. I really like it though. I think this is the perfect like beach staple, not if you're going to the beach, but like it's more just like if I'm going to LA, so it's like one of those things like you just throw it on with some jean shorts and like cute little booties or something, and it's like a look because the bodysuit is the statement, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like it's just so pretty and easy to style. Next up, I got these sweatpants for Alaska. They are just these like lavender shiny sweatpants, super thin material, but I thought this was super cute. I got them in an extra small. They're the size I got them in a size extra small. The brand is Super Down. Wow, I'm getting really confused because I keep saying the freaking word super. But these are them. I just wanted some sweatpants, and all my sweatpants are either from like Shadow Hill or like Victoria's Secret Pink from like 8 years ago, and I was just like, I want comfy sweatpants, so I got these. This top is my favorite top in the freaking world. This top is by Tula Rosa. I got it in a size extra small, and you guys saw on my Instagram photo, I put it right here. I also wore it in my video talking about my sorority. I wore this cropped like burnt orange top, and this is the same exact shirt because once I realized I loved it in the orange, I was like, I have to have this in a different color. This did look a little bit more nude on the site, but in real life it's actually like blush. Still love it. I think it's so cute. You guys know I love a good nude top. Like, literally, I think this is adorable, and it fits so comfortably. The only thing is because the sleeves are like kind of tight on your armpits, it like shows your sweat really easily through these tops because it is really thin material, but it's so soft. So, you know, if you sweat a lot, this might not be the top for you, but it's really not that big deal. I mean, everyone sweats. If you get a little pit stain, you'll live. Next up, I got this top. I'm realizing now I got a lot of stuff from Super Down, but this I got in a size small. So this is just like a open cropped top. I don't really know. It's just like an open top. It's not supposed to be like boobs out, but it's just like a little bit of boobs out. Again, nude. You guys know I live for a good nude. So just like a little crop top. I felt like I could pair with either denim jeans. I could wear this with other pants. That's like my go-to going out outfit, is wearing my Tigermist leather pants and then just like whatever top I can find and throw on. I feel like this would be a good top to throw on. Definitely not one to, you know, meet the parents in, but the last item I have to show you guys is my first pair of denim from Girlfriend Jeans, Girlfriend Denim, whatever. I actually haven't tried them on right now. You guys are seeing the try on portion, so I'll put a little blurb on there if they fit correctly. But as I'm recording this, I haven't filmed the try on portion, so I don't know if they fit. But I got them in a size 26 because that is what was recommended to me. I am a size 25, but it was weird because on the Revolve site, it said the model's waist was 24, but she was wearing a 26. And I am like a 24 and a half, 25. Normally I push it to 25 because it's better to get it bigger than like too tight. So it said the recommended size for me was a 26, so I got that. Hope it fits. This, obviously you're seeing the try on portion, so you know, but I just loved the ripped denim. Like, I just love this whole distressed look. I don't have a single pair of white jeans. I always want white pants, and the only ones I have are from Tigermist. You guys can tell my two favorite brands are literally Revolve and Tigermist, but the only white pants I have are like these joggers from Tigermist, and so I was like, I need denim. Like, I just need white denim jeans, and I bought some from Topshop in the past and ended up they were like completely see-through. You could see my underwear, and it just wasn't a look. So I got those. Love that for me. The last thing I got from Revolve was a bathing suit, and this is my first Frankie's bikini bathing suit that I've ever purchased, and I have never been more in love with a swimsuit in my life. I was so nervous, but I think now I'm fully understanding the like craze over Frankie's bikinis. I love them. I've never felt like more comfortable myself. Like I just feel so freaking cute in these. So I will tell you guys my sizes. I got a size medium in the bottoms. I am not a very like cheeky bottoms girl. So when I saw these on the site and the girl was wearing a small and they were like literally in her butthole, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get a medium and like try and not make it like that. So I got these in a medium. I also got the top in a small. I am a 32C bra in case that helps. And I got the top in a small. Normally when I get bigger like tops of bathing suits, they're like way too big and they look like a grandma bra. So this is the bathing suit I got. I love it. The color is beautiful and I will definitely be ordering a bunch more. I really just ordered this first one because I just wanted to see like if it fit me well. So yeah, I love this. It's the only bathing suit I got and I just figured I would share it with you guys. Okay, so I actually forgot about this skirt, which I love. This is also by the brand Lovers and Friends. It's a extra small. It is this super cute maxi midi. It's a midi skirt. It's cheetah, it's black and cream actually, which I really like because the other skirts I have are like black and white and I can't wear them with my Balenciagas because my Balenciagas look better with like a cream color. Love this, great material, perfect for just like walking around. You throw it on with like a little cute black crop and you're good to go. So loved this, wanted to share this with you guys as well. So I only have two things from Nasty Gal. The first one are these pants. As you guys can see, I'm really wilding out with the color. I got these really flowy pants. They're tie-dye purple. I got them in a size US 6. And they are just so stretchy, so comfy, flowy. I wish I was going somewhere on the beach because these would be perfect. Definitely not. I'm definitely literally going to Alaska. I don't know where the hell I thought I was going to wear these. But they're just really fun and I really wanted some. And I don't know, now that I have my Frankie's bikinis, where'd it go? Where'd my bathing suit go? I'm literally just correlating the fact that I could wear these together, but they're not really the same purple. They're actually, okay, they're different purples. So never mind. But I feel like this would be so cute with just like a little white bikini top if you guys are on the beach. Just flowy, lovely little pants. Living for them. And the last and second item I got from Nasty Gal is this beautiful blazer. I literally want to put it on over this little top I'm wearing because every time I show someone they're like, holy crap, that's literally so cute. Guys, how boss lady is this? Like this is so cute. They actually have the matching pants on Nasty Gal. I didn't get them because I felt like that was just like too much. Also my top just came undone. Like literally, mom, I'm sorry. Oh my god. I like that the fit of it is a little oversized. I could pair this, you know, with some like jeans and like a little red crop underneath it. Alrighty. So now the next brand that we're moving on to is Tigermist. I love Tigermist. Shout out to you guys. You guys rock. So this top is from Tigermist. It's just this little cheetah top and this cheetah print or whatever is velvet. Like the black part of it is velvet. Super soft. I think I got everything from Tigermist in a size extra small. I will double check that, but I'm pretty sure I did. So then the next items that I have right here. So the first item that I have is this orange top. I don't have any orange tops. So when I saw this, I was like, you know what? Like, let me give Fanta a little bit of a moment here. Let me whip out the off the shoulder cropped orange top. I'm not really sure with what, but it's just cute in general. Like I feel like I could just wear this a few times and it'd be pretty. Like I feel like it's one of those colors you see and you're like, oh, okay. Next up, I got this beautiful bodysuit. I absolutely love it. It is just lacy. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can see in the trend that it's lacy. Just ties on the top. The material of it is a little bit like spandexy, so I feel like this could almost be a swimsuit. In the picture on the website, the girl looks like she's by the pool, so this could be a swimsuit, but it also just says like bodysuit on the site. So I got it, love that it's open back. It just is so pretty on, and so I really felt like I needed it. I needed a white bodysuit. Next up, I got this little jacket for Alaska. It's just this brown suede jacket. I didn't have anything like this and I think it just looks kind of Alaska-y. I got this in a size small. It is a little bit oversized, which is exactly how I like it. this paired with one of those just like nude tops I had and some like jeans. I feel like that's like a cute look. I could even wear this with like the girlfriend jeans, the white ones. Oh my god, that would be so cute. So I'm really excited to style this just because I feel like it's one of those just staple pieces, just little suede brown top. So the next two pieces are super simple, but I literally didn't have anything like this, so I needed it. This is literally just a plain black crop top, but it is the perfect crop. This is in a size small. I also got it in white. So I got both of these crop tops because I don't have any simple plain ones. The white crop top that I have has holes all in it, English. Like kind of when I'm just going for a more distressed look. And then the black one that I have that's cropped is literally from Lululemon, and it has like these really weird prints on it, and I never wear it just because I kind of grew out of the style of it and it doesn't really fit me right anymore. So I just wanted a plain one, and I love this one. I just think these are perfect. I literally can just throw these on any, like I feel like these are just staples. Like everyone needs these. Like you just throw this on and walk out the door. And then lastly, I got this little red crop. This is the one I was telling you about would be cute with the cherry shorts. Love that. I got red and I wore it in an Instagram picture, and then all of you guys were like, you need to wear red more. And so I was like, okay, I will. I got this in a size small as well. I think this actually might be a little bit too big for me. I could have got an extra small, but I really, really like it. I feel like I need to wear more just like basic colorful tops. I love staying in my like comfort zone and wearing all nude, brown, white, black, like doing all of that. But that's why I got the orange and the red top, so that I could get out of that. So I feel like this will be really cute, just styled really nice. I feel like I literally have been talking for 3 hours, but I think that is it for all of the clothes in this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and you guys can also subscribe. Like I said, if you guys are seeing my face and you guys are new to my channel, or you guys watch my videos all the time but you aren't subscribed, subscribe. I would love to have you guys around. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys just subscribed. If you guys are new here, I will respond to your comment. I want to talk to you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You guys can follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, as I already said before. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.